How to fix Roblox assets not loading problem. To do this, right-click on Roblox and open Properties. Click on Compatibility from the top. Tick the Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an admin options. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. The next thing we need to do is open the browser and clear the cache files of Roblox. To get to this page, simply paste the URL from the top left into the search bar. You can copy it from the description. Type Roblox into the search bar and clear the cache files. Doing this will require you to log into your account again. We will also do this for PC. Press the Windows and R keys simultaneously and type %local app data % into the search bar. Click on OK to continue. Double-click temp and find the Roblox folder. Right-click to clear the cache files of Roblox. Now, you can check whether the Roblox assets not loading problem is solved or not.